Jamaica is crying out. And while the world rushes to help, our own government is moving slow like molasses. Fox News reporters reached Westmoreland before a single JDF helicopter did. Families are stranded, homes are destroyed, and children are sleeping on school benches. Yet not one meaningful hand from those in charge has reached the people. Dr. Lincoln Scott's Salvador Hospital testimony. 4 days after the hurricane, Dr. Lincoln Scott from the Salvador Hospital reports that they don't even have the basics. No sterile gauze, no medical supplies, nothing to perform emergency surgeries or treat the injured. He says he remembers 2010 when the earthquake struck Haiti, and the JDF was on the ground the very next day. Yet here we are in Jamaica with a disaster we saw coming, and hospital staff can't even get food or water, not to mention their patients. He reminds us that there's a disaster medical team in Kingston, the same people who coordinated medical relief for Haiti. So why can't they coordinate a team for hospitals in Western Jamaica? Why are doctors worrying about sterile packs, surgical equipment, and blood supply when that should have been in place days ago? Why is there still no national representation, not even from the Office of Disaster Preparedness? Why are they dragging their feet when it comes to Westmoreland and Hanover? Doctors are crying out for international aid, and we are urging the world, adopt a hospital in Western Jamaica. Send your supplies and your boots on the ground directly to them, not through the government, because we will never see it. After Hurricane Melissa ripped through the island, Westmoreland, Hanover, and St. Elizabeth were left in ruins. But while ordinary Jamaicans fight to survive, the JLP government poses for cameras and acts as if everything is fine. Even international media, Fox News thanks to them, showed the world the real situation, raw and unedited. They gave voice to the suffering people that some of our own local stations refuse to show. That's not journalism, that's cover-up. But look who's showing up before our own leaders. El Salvador has sent over 300 rescuers and 3 planes full of humanitarian aid. Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, Cuba, and even the Cayman Islands are shipping food, water, and medicine. The United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and the European Union have pledged to help rebuild Jamaica. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness treats a national tragedy like a campaign stage. Westmoreland is underwater, but he runs to St. James for photo ops. Jamaica deserves better. Even our culture icons are stepping up. Shaggy, Sean Paul, and others are mobilizing help from overseas. And yes, the streets are buzzing that Vibes Cartel may soon return home, a symbol that the people's voice still matters. Because right now, Jamaica needs hope, compassion, and unity, not politics. This isn't about party colors, it's about human lives. A real leader would join hands with the opposition in a crisis, not block them out. Mark Golding was ready to walk beside him to help the people, but Andrew Holness chose ego over empathy. And let's be honest, ego can't rebuild homes, can't feed families, and it sure can't supply hospitals with gauze. Diaspora warning, firm and clear. To every Jamaican in the diaspora, listen carefully. Be cautious about how you send aid. The Andrew Holness administration is playing politics with the nation's pain. They're looking out for their own friends, not the people. If you truly want to help, send your donations through trusted organizations. Food for the Poor, Red Cross, or independent foundations that guarantee your help reaches the hospitals and the families who need it most. Help is on the way, but not from those who call themselves leaders. It's coming from the world, from the diaspora, and from the unbreakable spirit of Jamaica. To our doctors, nurses, and volunteers, hold on. You are not forgotten. Jamaica will rise again, not because of politics, but because of people power. This is Michy Dex Commentary, the voice of truth, the voice of the people. Like, share, and spread this message, because the real help is already here.